question is, check that whether the ratio K into E square divided by G mass of electron multiplied by mass of proton is dimensionless. Look up a table of physical constants and determine the value of this ratio. What does the ratio signify? Let us do the answer step by step. First, let's write down the given ratio, that is K multiplied by E square and divided by G, ME and MP. Here, K and G are the proportionality constants. K is for the electrostatic force and G is for the gravitational force. E is the charge on an electron, and that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. ME is mass of electron and MP is mass of proton. Using a table of physical constants, you can write the values of all these entities. Now students, even without seeing or without using all these values, I can say that this ratio Ke square divided by GME multiplied by MP is dimensionless. How? Let us see this ratio in a different way. Let us see Ke square as Ke square divided by R square, the distance square. And let us see G multiplied by ME MP in a different way, that is GME MP divided by R square. So we are not making any change in the ratio. We are dividing the numerator and denominator by the same quantity, that is R square. So we are not really changing the ratio. But in the end, what we are finding here is that in the numerator, this formula is the formula for electrostatic force between electron and proton separated by a distance r. And in the denominator, we see this relation GME MP divided by R square as the gravitational force between electron and proton. You can name gravitational force by F sub G, and you can name electrostatic force by F sub E. Now you can see in the numerator it is a force, in the denominator it is a force. So the dimensions of force is divided by the dimensions of force. So it will cancel out in the numerator and denominator, and actually there will be no dimension for this ratio. So even without putting the values or without substituting the values, we can say that this ratio is dimensionless. And once you substitute all the values, you get the answer 2.4 into 10 to the power 39. So the ratio of electric force, electrostatic force and gravitational force is actually equal to 2:4 in 2.4 into 10 to the power 39. That simply implies electrostatic force is 2.4 into 10 to the power 39 times stronger than the gravitational force. And this is what this ratio signifies, that electrostatic force is a hugely bigger force when we compare it to the gravitational force.